In today's video, I'll be showing you how to keep your wallpaper in Wallpaper Engine permanently. So the first thing you want to do is actually open up Wallpaper Engine. From there, you want to make sure you have chosen the wallpaper that you want. So for my case, I'm just going to be keeping this one, but obviously you can use whichever one you like. So from there, you can go up to the top right corner and look for this settings button here. And when you open it, you'll be taken to this performance tab, but we just want to go over to general right here. And the first option below that is start with Windows. So what we want to do is tick this. It will ask if you want this app to make changes, and you can just choose yes. And once you click OK and restart your PC, that means whenever Windows starts up, it will automatically start up as high priority. And that means whenever Windows starts up and you unlock your PC, your wallpaper will automatically start and it will be there permanently. So that's how you can keep your wallpaper in Wallpaper Engine permanently. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please go ahead and comment down below to say this video helped you out, and also like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.